Hey guys, Pandora here, and I'm back with a new video. Today we're going to be talking about Sigma Beauty and their 3 types of hauls. I did a video similar to this like half a year ago, and I was wondering if they change the hauls or do they keep sending the same exact product. So if you want to find out more about it, then keep on watching. And today I have all 3 of them. Need it, love it, and lost it. Without further ado, let's get into the first one. So the first one will be the Sigma Mystery Love It. The first thing is a sample of their absolutely amazing Makeup Brush Cleanser Shampoo. Next is their 3DHD Precision Brush. This one is absolutely amazing. I already own one. This one is absolutely amazing to get the concealer in all the spots that is really hard to reach with your fingers or with the blender. So this is an amazing brush. I absolutely love it. The next thing is the eyeshadow base Persuade. This is definitely one of my favorites. The next thing is the mini brush cleansing mat, which is very handy for traveling. And the next thing is the 3DHD Kabuki brush. I already own one, so I will give this away to one of you guys. So don't forget to subscribe, because there is a huge giveaway coming your way very soon. All right, so the next thing in this mystery haul is the Line Ace eyeliner, liquid eyeliner in the shade Robust. I believe I already own this one, so this one is gonna go in the giveaway as well. The next thing is the eyeshadow in the shade Notre Dame, and I have this one as well, so guess what? This goes into the giveaway too. Another pressed single eyeshadow in the shade Topaz. I believe I own this one too, so I'm not gonna open them up because I'm considering to give them away to you, so I prefer them to be new and unopened. And the next thing in this box is the lipstick, creamy lipstick. I absolutely love their formula for the cream lipstick, and this one is in shade Clover. I believe I own this one too. Guess what? This one is gonna go to one of you as well. So make sure to subscribe and click that notification bell so you'll be notified for my next future videos. So this sums up the Love It Sigma Mystery Haul. I believe it's exactly the same what I had the last time. I don't remember exactly, but if you're wondering, there is the video on my channel somewhere. I'll try to list it down below in the comments if you're wondering what I've got 6 months ago. Okay, so the 3DHD Kabuki brush is $25 value. The 3DHD Precision brush is a $20 value, but it's on sale now for $14. So if you rush, you can get it for $14. The Power Stick Glover runs for $25 value. Line Ace is $14. Eyeshadow Notre Dame is $7.70. Eyeshadow Topaz, it's $7.70. Eyeshadow Base Persuade is $13 value. Mini Sigma Spa Matte full size is $32. I believe the mini one is a lot cheaper. And Mini Sigmatic Shampoo, a full size is $15, which the small size, it's a lot smaller, so we're not gonna take that in consideration. So without the matte and the shampoo, the total value is approximately $106 plus or minus, depends on the sales that they have at the moment. Not bad, considering that I paid about $50 for it, and I didn't take in consideration the mini spa shampoo sample and the matte. So not too shabby. So one of you is going to get lucky to get all of this stuff very soon. The next one, I'm going for the Lusted. I got this one half a year ago as well, so if you want to see what I got last time, go ahead and check it out. It will be in the description bar, as I promised. The first thing is the large powder brush. I believe I already have this one and I absolutely love it, specifically for blush. The next is the eyeshadow brush E55, and this one is my absolute favorite. The next thing is contour brush. Can we take a second and just enjoy this teal color on the handle? I totally love it. It kind of matches the theme of the background too. Pretty cool. So the next thing is another sample of the brush shampoo. We got VRUSH Shimmer, and I absolutely love their shimmery loose pigment. This one is in shade Ambrosia. I think I have one in this shade, so if I do, that might go into the giveaway as well. We'll have to check it out later. So the next thing is the Power Liner. It's the lip liner from their pink collection as well. I totally love their pink line, as they're so rich in color and pigment, and I love the quality as well. So I'm really excited about this one. The next thing is, I believe their Aura powder from a Sigma Pink as well, and I already own this one, so guess what? I don't hear it. Say it again. Exactly, it will go in my next giveaway for sure. So let me open up and show it to you. Isn't this absolutely beautiful? I totally love it. Love it. So I'll be more than happy to give this to one of you guys as well. So this one was $30. Let's see, what is the actual value of all of these products? E55 eye shading brush is $16. And the F30 large powder brush is $30. F40 large contour brush is $23. The Aura powder Sigma Pink is $19. That's actually an amazing value for what it is. Power Liner Sigma Pink, that is $14, and Loose Shimmer Ambrosia is $12. So all together is about $114. That is a hell of a good deal. I'm absolutely in love with it. Even though I do have some of these products, I love every single one of them. The only sad part about is of course they rotate. I already own a lot of their stuff, so they rotate kind of the same stuff over and over again, but I still love it. And there is another reason to make you guys happy. So let's move on to the next. So the next one is Needed. Now this one is the first time I'm ordering, because that is a different one. I don't see it on their website now, but I believe this one ran as $30 too. Without further ado, let's get into it and let's see what I got inside. So the first thing I see is that little mat. Then the next thing is, what is this? Color Pop Collection Sigma Girl a brush kit. Okay, you know this girl is always happy about brushes. That is so cute, guys. Take a look at this. This is so cute. All right, what do we have in here? Ooh, that is pretty. So we have more pink handles that will go really good with my whole pink Sigma collection. So one of the brushes is I believe this one is travel size, because they're not too big, which is perfect for me. I love that. So there is another E55, which you already guys know I really love this one. And then there is the E25, the blending brush. I am totally obsessed with this one. I absolutely love this one for a more precision blend when I need it to, in between the crease and the lid. So this is absolutely perfect. Totally one of my top brushes that I reach out to. Of course, the E40, the large contour brush, which is pretty cool too. So I can't complain. I absolutely love this set. This set alone makes me really happy. So we have two more things. The Big Time Embellish Lash. I might think this one is a mascara, maybe. Let's see. Yes, it is. And this is a nice purple mascara. I totally am going to give it a try and do something creative in future. That's actually a very pretty, I think it's more of a lavender color than purple. And then the other thing is, again, from Sigma Pink, which you guys already know, I'm totally obsessed with the line. This is a lipstick. Lip Eclipse. Nice. Ooh, that goes perfectly with the lip liner that I had on the, I think was it in the Lusted? That is definitely asking for a full pink tutorial. I guess another one. So the value of this haul is $65, which is pretty darn awesome considering that it runs for $30. Plus, if you use my code that I'll put right here, you can take another extra 10% off of your order. And this is it for today, guys. I hope you loved this video and found it useful. If you like it, give us a thumbs up and subscribe for more videos like this. It keeps me motivated to do more videos like this. Let me know if there is anything else that you would like me to review or open for you guys. If I can, I will gladly do that. I love you all, and I'll see you on my next one. Bye, guys.